Question 1. Which of the following is a primary benefit of health maintenance organizations, HMOS, compared to preferred provider organizations, PPOS? A. HMOS allow members to see any specialist without a referral from their primary care physician. B. PPOS require members to choose a primary care physician, PCP, to coordinate all care. C. HMOS generally have lower premiums and out-of-pocket costs compared to PPOS. D. PPOS have stricter network requirements and penalties for out-of-network care. Answer. C. Explanation. Health maintenance organizations, HMOS, typically offer lower premiums and out-of-pocket costs compared to PPOS because of their more restricted network of healthcare providers than the requirement for members to obtain referrals from a primary care physician, PCP, before seeing a specialist. This structure allows HMOS to manage care more effectively and reduce costs. Option A is incorrect. HMOS require members to get a referral from their PCP before seeing a specialist. Option B is incorrect. PPOS do not require members to choose. HMOS do. Option D is incorrect. PPOS generally have more flexibility for out-of-network care at a higher cost. Question 2. Mr. Thomas, an employer, a medium-sized business in Georgia, is considering health insurance options for his family. His employer offers a group health insurance plan. What is the main advantage of a group health insurance plan for Mr. Thomas and his family? A. The group plan will offer more personalized care than individual plans. B. Group health insurance plans typically have lower premiums and better coverage compared to individual plans. C. Mr. Thomas can choose any healthcare provider regardless of network restrictions. D. Group plans do not require members to meet any deductible before receiving care. Answer. B. Explanation. Group health insurance plans generally offer lower premiums and better coverage than individual plans because the employer pulls employees together to spread out the risk. This results in lower overall premiums and often more favorable terms, such as better coverage options. Option A is incorrect. Group plans do not necessarily offer more personalized care. Individual plans might provide more tailored coverage. Option C is incorrect. Group health insurance plans typically come with network restrictions, just like individual plans. Option D is incorrect. Group plans, like individual plans, usually have deductibles that members must meet before certain benefits are provided. Question 3. Scenario question. Unless Emily, a self-employed individual in Georgia, is looking to purchase health insurance through the health insurance marketplace, she is concerned about her eligibility for financial assistance based on the Affordable Care Act guidelines. What should Emily consider when determining if she qualifies for premium tax credits or subsidies? Emily's annual income must be at least 400% of the federal poverty level to qualify for premium tax credits. B. Emily is not eligible for subsidies if she is self-employed. C. Emily may qualify for subsidies if her household income is between 100% and 400% of the federal poverty level. D. Emily will only qualify for financial assistance if she is U.S. citizen or permanent resident. Answer. C. Explanation. Under the ACA, premium tax credits and subsidies are available to individuals with household incomes between 100% and 400% of the federal poverty level. These financial aids help reduce the cost of premiums for individuals purchasing health insurance through the health insurance marketplace. Option A is incorrect. Emily must have an income between 100% and 400% of the federal poverty level to qualify, not at least 400%. Option B is incorrect. Being self-employed does not disqualify Emily from receiving subsidies. Option D is incorrect. While U.S. citizenship or legal residency is required, financial assistance eligibility is primarily based on income level, not citizenship alone. Question 4. Which of the following is a feature of high-deductible health species distinguishes them from traditional health insurance plans? HSAs typically have lower premiums but higher deductibles. The HSAs cover a wider range of services than traditional health plans. HSAs do not have out-of-pocket maximums. The HSAs do not cover preventive care until the deductible is met. Answer A. Explanation. High-deductible health plan HSAs are designed to have lower monthly premiums but require members to pay higher deductibles before the insurance coverage kicks in. This makes HSA more affordable for those who do not need frequent medical care but can be costly for individuals who require regular medical services. Option B is incorrect. HSAs typically cover the same range of services as traditional plans but with higher out-of-pocket costs. Option C is incorrect. Share have out-of-pocket maximums, just like traditional plans. Option D is incorrect. Shares are required to cover preventive care, like vaccines and screenings, without cost sharing, even before the deductible is met under the account. Question 5. Which of the following statements about Medicaid eligibility in Georgia is correct? A. Medicaid eligibility is strictly based on age, with all individuals over 65 eligible for benefits. B. Medicaid eligibility includes income and asset tests, which vary by category of eligibility. C. All individuals with disabilities are automatically eligible for Medicaid in Georgia, regardless of income. D. Medicaid recipients in Georgia do not have to meet residency requirements to receive benefits. Answer: B. Explanation: Medicaid eligibility in Georgia is determined by income and asset tests, and these requirements can vary depending on the specific eligibility category, e.g., children, pregnant women, elderly individuals. Each group may have different thresholds for income and assets, so eligibility is not solely based on age or disability. Option A is incorrect. Medicaid eligibility is not strictly based on age. While individuals over 65 are eligible for Medicare, Medicaid eligibility is income-based. Option C is incorrect. Individuals with disabilities may qualify for Medicaid, but they still must meet income and other eligibility requirements. Option D is incorrect. Medicaid recipients must meet residency requirements to receive benefits, such as being a resident of Georgia. Question 6. Scenario question. Mr. Anderson has a health insurance policy with a $1,000 deductible, 20% coinsurance, and a $5,000 out-of-pocket maximum. He incurs a $10,000 medical bill. How much will Mr. Anderson need to pay out of pocket for this medical bill? A. $1,000. B. $2,000. C. $2,800. D. $5,000. Answer: C. Explanation. To calculate Mr. Anderson's out-of-pocket cost, we first account for the deductible. He must pay the first $1,000 of the bill. After the deductible, he will pay 20% of the remaining $9,000, since his coinsurance is 20%, which amounts to $1,800. Therefore, his total out-of-pocket cost is $1,000 deductible plus $1,800. Coinsurance equals $2,800. Option A is incorrect. This only covers the deductible, not the coinsurance. Option B is incorrect. This would be the case if the coinsurance was 10%, not 20%. Option D is incorrect. The $5,000 out-of-pocket maximum is not reached in this case because the total out-of-pocket cost is $2,800, which is below the maximum. Question 7. Which of the following best describes a point-of-service POS health plan? A POS plan combines features of HMOS and PPOS, allowing members to choose between in-network and out-of-network providers. B. A POS plan only covers medical services provided by in-network healthcare providers without any out-of-network options. C. A POS plan is the same as a POPN, offering complete freedom to see any specialist without a referral. D. A POS plan requires members to use a designated primary care physician (PCP) for all medical care, including specialists. Answer: A. Explanation. A point-of-service POS plan combines features of both health maintenance organizations, HMOS, and preferred provider organizations, PPOS. It requires members to choose a primary care physician (PCP) who coordinates care, but it also allows members to seek care outside the network, similar to a peer at a higher cost. Option B is incorrect. While POS plans involve network restrictions that allow out-of-network care at a higher cost, option C is incorrect. POS plans require members to get a referral from their PCP for specialists, unlike PPO plans. Option D is incorrect. POS plans require a e-for-care coordination, but not all care requires a e-referral, particularly if seeking out-of-network care. Question 8. Which of the following is an essential benefit required to be covered under health insurance plans that comply with the Affordable Care Act? A. Cosmetic surgery. B. Adult dental care. C. Maternity and newborn care. D. Elective fertility treatments. Answer: C. Explanation. Under the account, health insurance plans must cover a set of essential health benefits, one of which is maternity and newborn care. These benefits are required to be provided with no lifetime or annual limits and must include care related to pregnancy, childbirth, and newborn care. Option A is incorrect. Cosmetic surgery is generally not an essential benefit and is typically excluded unless medically necessary. Option B is incorrect. Adult dental care is not an essential benefit under the account, though pediatric dental care is. Option D is incorrect. Elective Fertility treatments are not considered essential benefits under the account. Question 9. Which of the following is true regarding the coordination of benefits (COB) in health insurance? A. COB allows an insured to receive benefits from multiple policies, but the total payment cannot exceed the total cost of the medical service. B. COB requires that an insured must file separate claims with each insurer for each medical service. C. COB allows an insurer to deny claims from the second policy if the first policy has paid its share. D. COB applies only when an insured has more than one health insurance plan from the same insurer. Answer A. Explanation. Coordination of benefits (COB) ensures that when an insured has multiple health insurance policies, the combined payment from all policies does not exceed the total cost of the covered services. Typically, the primary insurer pays first and the secondary insurer covers the remaining eligible costs. Option B is incorrect. COB typically involves submitting claims to the primary insurer first and the secondary insurer will coordinate the payment. Option C is incorrect. The secondary insurer must coordinate with the primary insurer to avoid overpayment, not deny claims outright. Option D is incorrect. COB applies when an insured has multiple health insurance plans, which can be from different insurers, not just one. Question 10. Which of the following is the primary purpose of the medical loss ratio (MLR) requirement under the Affordable Care Act? A. To reduce the amount of premiums collected by insurers. B. To ensure that a large percentage of premium dollars are spent on healthcare services rather than administrative costs. C. To limit the amount of coverage an insurer could provide for each individual. D. To restrict the types of healthcare services covered under a health plan. Answer B. Explanation. The medical loss ratio (MLR) requirement under the ACA ensures that insurers spend a certain percentage of premium dollars on healthcare services and quality improvement, rather than on administrative costs, marketing, and profits. For individual and small group policies, insurers must spend at least 80% of premiums on healthcare services, and for large group policies, at least 85%. Option A is incorrect. The purpose of MLR is not to reduce premiums, but to ensure proper use of premiums. Option C is incorrect. MLR does not limit the coverage provided by insurers. Option D is incorrect. MLR has nothing to do with the types of services covered under a health plan. Question 11. Which of the following is a characteristic of a peer preferred provider organization health plan? A. Requires members to choose a primary care physician (PCP). B. Covers only in-network healthcare providers with no out-of-network coverage. C. Allows members to see any specialist without a referral. D. Has the lowest out-of-pocket costs compared to other health plans. Answer C. Explanation. A POPN allows members to see any specialist without a referral and provides flexibility to see out-of-network providers. Although at a higher cost, PPOS generally offer more freedom than HMOS, but usually come with higher premiums and out-of-pocket costs. Option A is incorrect. PPOS do not require members to choose a physician. B is incorrect. PPOS allow out-of-network coverage, but it comes with higher costs. Option D is incorrect. PPO plans typically have higher premiums and out-of-pocket costs than other plans like HMOS. Question 12. What is the primary purpose of the Affordable Care Act's ACA individual mandate? A. To require all Americans to purchase health insurance regardless of their ability to pay. B. To ensure that all individuals have access to essential health benefits. C. To mandate that individuals who can afford health insurance must purchase it or face a penalty. D. To limit the number of healthcare plans offered to individuals. Answer C. Explanation. The ACA's individual mandate required most Americans to purchase health insurance or face a tax penalty. The goal was to increase the number of people insured and spread the risk across a larger group, making healthcare more affordable for everyone. Option A is incorrect. The mandate did not require all Americans to buy insurance, only those who could afford it. Option B is incorrect. While the ACA ensures access to essential health benefits, the individual mandate focuses on encouraging insurance coverage. Option D is incorrect. The ACA aims to expand health plan options, not limit them. Question 13, scenario question. Emily has a PO health plan and visits an out-of-network doctor. She receives a bill for $500. Her PPO plan covers 80% of the cost for out-of-network visits. How much will Emily have to pay out of pocket? A. $100. B. $200. C. $300. D. $400. Answer C. Explanation. Emily's PPO plan covers 80% of the $500 bill, which is $400. This means she will be responsible for the remaining 20%, which is $100. Therefore, Emily's out-of-pocket cost is $100. Option A is incorrect. $100 is the correct amount for the coinsurance, not the total bill. Option B is incorrect. $200 is too high for 20% share of $500 bill. Option D is incorrect. The out-of-pocket cost is the 20% portion, not the 80% covered by the plan. Question 14. What is the main purpose of a health savings account, HSAA, to pay for medical expenses with pre-tax dollars? B. To allow individuals to save for retirement. C. To offer a government-subsidized health insurance option. D. To limit the total amount spent on healthcare in a given year. Answer A. Explanation. A health savings account, HSA, allows individuals with high deductible health plan issues to save money tax-free for medical expenses. Funds in an HSA can be used for qualifying medical expenses and roll over from year to year. Option B is incorrect. HSAs are not primarily for retirement savings, although funds can be used for retirement after age 65. Option C is incorrect. HSA is not a health insurance option but a tax-advantaged savings account. Option D is incorrect. HSAs do not limit spending but provide a way to save on taxes for medical expenses. Question 15. Which of the following is a key feature of Medicaid in the US? A. It is primarily funded by individual states without federal involvement. B. Eligibility is based on income, family size, and certain other factors like disability. C. Medicaid provides the same benefits for all enrollees across all states. D. Medicaid is available only for people with private health insurance. Answer B. Explanation. Medicaid is a joint federal-state program that provides health coverage to low-income individuals. Eligibility is based on income, family size, and specific conditions such as pregnancy, disability, and age. Option A is incorrect. Medicaid is funded by both federal and state governments. Option C is incorrect. Medicaid benefits may vary slightly between states, as states can have different programs and coverage options. Option D is incorrect. Medicaid is for individuals who meet certain income and eligibility criteria regardless of whether they have private insurance. Question 16. What is the primary goal of the Children's Health Insurance Program, CHIP? A. To provide health insurance to children in families that earn too much to qualify for Medicaid but cannot afford private insurance. B. To provide government-subsidized private health insurance to all children. C. To offer dental and vision coverage for all children under the age of 18. D. To cover medical expenses for children with chronic health conditions only. Answer A. Explanation. CHIP provides health coverage to children in families with incomes too high to qualify for Medicaid but too low to afford private health insurance. It is designed to help children who are uninsured. Option B is incorrect. CHIP is not for all children, only those in qualifying families. Option C is incorrect. CHIP is not limited to dental and vision coverage, but it may include these benefits. Option D is incorrect. CHIP covers a wide range of healthcare services for all eligible children, not just those with chronic conditions. Question 17. Which of the following is a requirement for a health insurance plan to meet the essential health benefits ABE under the Affordable Care Act? A. It must cover a minimum of 10 categories of services, including emergency services, maternity care, and prescription drugs. B. It must only cover emergency services and hospitalization. C. It must be offered by the government or a state-based exchange only. D. It must limit coverage to only preventive care services. Answer A. Explanation. The ACA requires health insurance plans to cover a comprehensive set of essential health benefits ABE, which includes 10 categories like emergency services, hospitalization, maternity and newborn care, mental health services, and prescription drugs. Option B is incorrect. ABEs include more than just emergency services and hospitalization. Option C is incorrect. ABEs apply to most health plans, not just government or exchange plans. Option D is incorrect. ABEs go beyond just preventive care and include a broader range of services. Question 18. Which of the following best describes the purpose of the Federal Employees Health Benefits Program, FAPE? A. To provide health insurance only for federal government employees. B. To provide health insurance to individuals working in private sector companies. C. To provide health insurance to veterans of the U.S. military. D. To provide health insurance to members of Congress and their families. Answer A. Explanation. The Federal Employees Health Benefits Program (FAPE) provides health insurance to federal employees, retirees, and their families. The program allows participants to choose from a variety of health plans. Option B is incorrect. The FAPE is specifically for federal employees, not private sector workers. Option C is incorrect. Veterans typically receive health insurance through the VA Veterans Affairs, not FAPE. Option D is incorrect. While members of Congress can participate in FAPE, it is not limited to them and also includes federal employees. Question 19. Which of the following is true about health insurance open enrollment periods under the Affordable Care Act? A. Individuals can only enroll in health plans during open enrollment, and they cannot change plans outside of this period unless they experience a qualifying event. B. Open enrollment occurs every 2 years, allowing individuals to change their plans at any time. C. Individuals can enroll in health insurance plans at any time of the year with no restrictions. D. Open enrollment allows only those under 30 years of age to enroll in health insurance. Answer A. Explanation. Under the account, open enrollment is the period when individuals can sign up for or change their health insurance plans. Outside of open enrollment, individuals can only enroll or make changes if they experience a qualifying life event, e.g., marriage, birth of a child, loss of other coverage. Option B is incorrect. Open enrollment is typically annual, not biennial. Option C is incorrect. Enrollment is restricted to the open enrollment period unless there is a qualifying event. Option D is incorrect. Open enrollment is for all eligible individuals, not just those under 30. Question 20. What is the main function of a health maintenance organization, HMO? A. To provide coverage for both in-network and out-of-network care without additional costs. B. To provide healthcare services exclusively through a network of providers and require referrals from a primary care physician, PCP, for specialist care. C. To offer higher premiums but fewer restrictions on choosing healthcare providers. D. To eliminate out-of-pocket costs for all members. Answer B. Explanation. A health maintenance organization, HMO, requires members to choose a primary care physician, PCP, who coordinates all care including referrals to specialists. Care is provided exclusively through in-network providers, and out-of-network care is not typically covered except in emergencies. Option A is incorrect. HMOs typically restrict coverage to in-network providers, and out-of-network care is not covered except in emergencies. Option C is incorrect. HMOs typically have lower premiums but more restrictions on care compared to PPOS. Option D is incorrect. While HMOs often have lower out-of-pocket costs than POS, they do not eliminate all out-of-pocket costs. Question 21. Which of the following is a characteristic of a high-deductible HELP? A. HPA requires low out-of-pocket costs but high monthly premiums. B. It has a higher deductible but the premium is lower than that of traditional plans. C. It covers only preventive care services. D. Is available only to individuals with employer-sponsored insurance. Answer B. Explanation. A high-deductible HELP HEHP has a higher deductible, meaning the insured must pay more out of pocket before insurance coverage kicks in, but the premiums are typically lower than traditional health plans. Option A is incorrect here. She is to have higher deductibles, not low out-of-pocket costs. Option C is incorrect. HEs cover a wide range of health services, not just preventive care. Option D is incorrect. HEs are available both through employers and individual markets. Question 22. What is the purpose of a Medigap policy? A. To cover prescription drugs not covered by Medicare. B. To fill the gaps in Medicare coverage by covering out-of-pocket costs such as co-payments and deductibles. C. To provide healthcare coverage for people under 65 with disabilities. D. To offer long-term care insurance for seniors. Answer B. Explanation. A Medigap policy is a supplemental insurance plan designed to cover some of the out-of-pocket costs not paid by Medicare, such as co-payments, co-insurance, and deductibles. Option A is incorrect. Prescription drug coverage is provided by Medicare Part D, not Medigap. Option C is incorrect. Medigap is for individuals who are 65 or older, not for those under 65 with disabilities. Option D is incorrect. Medigap does not cover long-term care, which is usually covered by other types of insurance policies. Question 23. Scenario question. John has a plan with a $500 deductible. He has already paid $400 in medical expenses for the year. He needs to visit the doctor for a new condition and the doctor charges $300 for the visit. How much will John pay for the visit? A. $0. B. $100, C. $200, D. $300. Answer: B. Explanation. Since John has already paid $400 towards his deductible, he only needs to pay $100 more to meet the $500 deductible. After reaching the deductible, his insurance plan will start covering the remaining costs. Option A is incorrect. John has not yet met the full deductible. Option C is incorrect. John will only pay $100 towards the deductible, not $200. Option D is incorrect. John will only pay $100 out of the $300 bill to complete his deductible. Question 24. Which of the following is a typical feature of a catastrophic health insurance plan? A. It covers preventive care with no deductible. B. It is intended for individuals who are generally healthy and do not expect frequent medical visits. C. It offers low deductibles and low premiums. D. It is available only to seniors aged 65 and older. Answer: B. Explanation. Catastrophic health insurance plans are designed for people who are generally healthy and do not expect to need frequent medical care. They provide low premiums but have high deductibles and are meant to protect against serious illness or injury. Option A is incorrect. While catastrophic plans may cover preventive care, they typically come with high deductibles. Option C is incorrect. These plans have high deductibles, not low. Option D is incorrect. Catastrophic plans are available to individuals under 30 and some low-income people, not just seniors. Question 25. What is the primary purpose of the health insurance marketplace established by the Affordable Care Act? A. To provide a private option for purchasing health insurance outside of employer-based plans. B. To make health insurance plans more affordable for low-income individuals and families through subsidies. C. To eliminate the need for individual health insurance policies. D. To allow insurance companies to create their own policies. Answer: B. Explanation. The health insurance marketplace allows individuals and families to purchase health insurance, often with subsidies to make it more affordable, especially for those with low to moderate incomes. Option A is incorrect. The marketplace is a government-run platform for health insurance, not a private option. Option C is incorrect. The account does not eliminate the need for individual insurance. It makes it more accessible and affordable. Option D is incorrect. The marketplace includes policies offered by insurance companies, but is not a platform for insurance companies to create their own plans. Question 26. What is an example of a qualifying life event that allows an individual to enroll in or make changes to their health insurance outside of the open enrollment period? A. Changing jobs. B. Turning 26 years old. C. Getting married. D. Moving to a new city. Answer: C. Explanation. Qualifying life events such as marriage, birth of a child, or loss of coverage allow individuals to make changes to their health insurance outside of open enrollment. Option A is incorrect. Changing jobs does not automatically qualify for special enrollment unless there is a loss of health coverage. Option B is incorrect. Turning 26 years old is a qualifying life event for being removed from a parent's plan but not for enrolling in a new plan. Option D is incorrect. Moving to a new city may qualify if it results in a change in insurance availability, but not all moves automatically trigger a special enrollment period. Question 27. Which of the following describes the term coinsurance in a health insurance policy? A. A fixed amount a patient pays for a covered health service, usually at the time of service. B. A percentage of the total medical bill that the insured pays after meeting their deductible. C. The amount a person pays each month for their insurance coverage. D. The amount the insurance company reimburses for a covered service. Answer: B. Explanation. Coinsurance is the percentage of a medical bill that the insured must pay after meeting the deductible. For example, if a policy has 20% coinsurance, the insured pays 20% of the medical expenses and the insurance company covers the remaining 80%. Option A is incorrect. A fixed amount is called a copayment, not coinsurance. Option C is incorrect. The monthly payment for insurance is called a premium, not coinsurance. Option D is incorrect. Coinsurance refers to the insured's responsibility, not the insurance company's reimbursement. Question 20. What is the primary benefit of a health reimbursement arrangement? A. It allows employees to use tax-free dollars for medical expenses. B. It is a government-run program that provides health benefits to retirees. C. It provides employees with a fixed amount of money for out-of-pocket health expenses. D. It allows employees to deduct medical expenses from their taxes. Answer: C. Explanation. An HRA is a benefit plan offered by employers that provides employees with a fixed amount of money to pay for qualifying healthcare expenses. The funds are provided tax-free and can be used for things like co-payments, deductibles, and prescriptions. Option A is incorrect. While HRAs allow tax-free use of funds, the primary benefit is the fixed amount provided for healthcare expenses. Option B is incorrect. An HRA is not a government program. Option D is incorrect. An HRA is not a tax deduction mechanism but a reimbursement arrangement. Question 29. What is the purpose of the Affordable Care Act's requirement for insurance plans to cover essential health benefits? A. To ensure that insurance companies offer the same types of benefits to all individuals. B. To make insurance more affordable for individuals in every state. C. To reduce the number of benefits insurance companies are required to cover. D. To provide a basic level of health coverage for all insured individuals. Answer: D. Explanation. IACA requires that insurance plans cover essential health benefits, ensuring that all insured individuals have access to a basic set of healthcare services, including preventive care, mental health services, and emergency services. Option A is incorrect. The goal is to ensure a standard level of care, not necessarily identical benefits. Option B is incorrect. The IACA aims to standardize benefits, not to make them affordable for everyone. Option C is incorrect. The goal is to expand, not reduce, the coverage provided by insurance plans. Question 30. Which of the following statements best describes the purpose of the Children's Health Insurance Program? CHIP. A. To provide long-term care for children with disabilities. B. To provide affordable health insurance for children in families that earn too much for Medicaid but cannot afford private insurance. C. To cover healthcare expenses for children of federal employees. D. To eliminate copies for children under the age of 18. Answer: B. Explanation. CHIP is designed to provide health insurance for children in families that earn too much to qualify for Medicaid but cannot afford private insurance. The goal is to ensure that children in low and middle-income families have access to healthcare. Option A is incorrect. CHIP is for general health coverage, not long-term care. Option C is incorrect. CHIP is for low-income children, not federal employees' children. Option D is incorrect. CHIP does not eliminate all copies, though it provides affordable care.